We'll guide you through how to make Picsart Polaroid. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy way to create aesthetic Polaroid-style edits without advanced design skills. Open a browser. For example, I use Google Chrome. To open it, double-click the Google Chrome icon on your desktop so the browser starts properly. Next, click the search bar, type Picsart.com, and press Enter to access the website. Click Login in the top right corner, then click Continue with Google to make it easier to sign in quickly. Next, click Start New Design, then click Create from Blank Canvas to begin your project. Next, click Templates, then click the search bar and type Polaroid to find suitable designs. Scroll down and choose the template you want based on your preference. Next, delete the background and replace it with a gradient color as you like to improve the visual appearance. Click the layer icon in the bottom right corner to manage all elements. Then select the Polaroid frame and text to adjust the rotation and size as desired so it looks balanced. Once done, click Uploads, then click Upload to add your own image. Choose a photo from your folder and click Open to import it into the workspace. Then carefully adjust the size and position of the photo so it fits perfectly within the Polaroid frame. Click the More icon in the top right corner, then select Crop to refine the image area. Adjust it until it fits perfectly in the Polaroid frame without leaving empty spaces. After that, edit the text. For example, change it to "Keep this moment forever" to personalize your design. Next, click the photo, then click Effects to enhance its appearance. Then click FX, scroll down, and select HDR2 to apply a sharper and clearer effect. Click the Settings icon, set Blur to 75, then adjust the other settings such as Unsharp, Saturation, and Fade by setting each of them to 0 to achieve a clean and balanced result. Review the result, and your Picsart Polaroid is successfully created with a neat and appealing final look.